Good afternoon, this is Peter Towers from ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this webinar, the brief overview of the ESS BIZTOOLS products. ESS BIZTOOLS offers a range of services to assist accountants and business advisors to deliver business advisory services. The product basically originated out of papers. There's now over 550 papers in the system, and what's been then developed is business advisory services, which we'll discuss in more detail in a moment, a newsletter which we prepare monthly for our accountancy firm subscribers to badge and send to their clients, client mentoring and coaching modules which assist in the education process for small business operators, leadership modules which are prepared to assist the accounting firm with its leadership strategies and also to be able to offer leadership products to clients. ESS BizGrants is a separate product which is available on a separate website but facilitates the delivery of a report to small medium enterprises on government grants that are available. The material also helps in the development of 35 seminars which are prepared, ready for use on business advisory services products to assist accountants to deliver those services to their clients. And there's various forms, hundreds of forms and video tutorials within the system. So the big question for an accounting firm to answer at present is, what are your challenges for 2014? It's worth having a look at the challenges that we've identified. Deloitte wrote a report a year or so ago which they called Digital Disruption. That report indicated that professional businesses, of which obviously accountancy is part, would suffer a 32% business reduction over the next few years. So how are you going to react to that? The CEO of Deloitte in Australia, Guy Swigers, wrote an article in Business Review Weekly last year and indicated that the accountancy profession will get worse and worse, and then when you think it can't get any worse, it will get worse again. Sobering comments. So what are some of the real concerns at present? Well, we've got client concerns. Debtors days outstanding, currently 54 days according to Dun & Bradstreet. What are accountants doing to try to help their clients reduce debtors days outstanding? The Personal Property Securities Register. Have you had a good look at this? This can potentially affect every business in Australia. It's not just something to check when your client is going to try to sell their business to make sure any registrations that have been placed on the system have been withdrawn. This can be a business-destroying activity if it is not handled properly. Cost control. The CCH survey conducted last year indicated that after having interviewed 1,340 small business operators, that those operators nominated management of costs as being the biggest single issue that was confronting them. Makes you think. How many times have you helped clients on their cost control activities? Out of the Digital Disruption report, Deloitte identified that there were three activities that could be undertaken. One was recalibrating cost structures. The second was replenishing revenue streams, and the third was reshaping corporate strategies. It's the replenishing of revenue streams that ESS BIZTOOLS products are targeted at. We believe that the products and services that are available can assist accountants to adequately respond to digital disruption. Business advisory services material comes first of all with some preparation modules that help an accountancy business get ready to deliver business advisory services. And I've listed on the screen the key areas for business advisory services preparation. We have modules, PowerPoint slides and papers which will help the firm navigate this very difficult path to get a firm ready to be able to start delivering business advisory services. Some of the products included in business advisory services include debtors management. I referred to debtors just a moment ago. Business health check. There are currently 5 industry types in the business health check. There will be another 5 added in the next month. Chief Financial Officer services, one of the key services accountants can provide. Business Property Securities Registered Due Diligence System. We launched that on Wednesday actually. It's now available on the ESS BizTools website. You can subscribe to it as a standalone product if you wish. It's there to help accountants offer real advice to their clients on avoiding problems under the Personal Property Securities Act. Business plans, buying a business, selling a business, succession plan. They're the products we currently have developed fully for use by accountants in advising small business operators. In the next 12 months, there'll be another 4 products added to that list. ESS Biz Grants is a product we've developed to identify government grants. In the first place, you enter a profile. That will then identify federal, state and territory grants that the SME profile that you've entered complies with grant requirements, and the system will produce a personalised grant report for your client whereby you can have a conversation with your client and discuss with them the types of grants that they appear eligible to apply for. Then hopefully you'll be able to assist them in the application process. What can you do now? We have 2 key webinars coming up in July that I would urge you to register for. The first one is on the 24th of July, and the theme is the Personal Properties Register Due Diligence System, which ESS BizTools has developed. As far as we know, the first one in Australia that's been targeted at accountants. And ESS Biz Grants webinar on the 30th of July is the public launch of this version 2 of ESS Biz Grants. We think this is a very simple, streamlined system for accountants to remain in control of the grant process, to show their clients that you're very proactive, and to be able to earn some additional fees from doing some new business advisory type work for your client. Both of those webinar commence at 12 noon, and you can go to the ESS BizTools website to register for those webinars. You can apply for a guest subscription to ESS BizTools. That will give you 30 days to review what's in the ESS BizTools system. And you can apply for a guest subscription to ESS Biz Grants on the new product when it launches on the 30th of July, and that will give you 2 weeks access to the product to have a look at what it can do for you. If you would like us to conduct a one-on-one webinar with you and your colleagues within your firm, please contact our communication consultant, Marlene, on the address on the screen at present, and Marlene will book in an appropriate time for a one-on-one webinar with your colleagues in your firm. You'll be the only firm participating. We'll have the microphones working so you can talk to us as we deliver that webinar to you. It will take approximately 1 hour. If you need any further information on ESS BizTools or ESS Biz Grants, please contact us. There's a free telephone number there, 1-800-232-088, or send an email to peter@essbiztools.com.au. Thank you very much for viewing this special 10-minute introductory webinar today. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.